Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Gemini on your phone. First, locate and download the Gemini app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the application. You'll then be prompted to sign in using your existing Google account. After signing in, make sure to grant any necessary permissions the app requests to ensure all features work correctly. Now that Gemini is set up, let's personalize it. Navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Here, you can adjust your privacy controls to manage how your data is used and shared. You can also select your preferred voice for Gemini's responses and choose your desired language. Additionally, explore the Extensions section to enable or disable integrations with other Google services or third-party applications, tailoring Gemini to your specific needs. With Gemini personalized, you're ready to explore its powerful capabilities. You can simply ask Gemini questions on a wide range of topics and receive instant, informative answers. It's also excellent for drafting emails, summarizing lengthy articles, or even brainstorming ideas. Gemini integrates smoothly with other applications on your phone, providing seamless assistance across your daily tasks and helping you stay productive and informed. To get the most out of Gemini, try experimenting with more advanced and specific prompts to elicit detailed and nuanced responses. Integrate it into your daily routine for tasks like setting reminders, planning your day, or even getting quick recipe ideas. Gemini can significantly boost your productivity. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.